Okay folks, this is Stitch and my co-host Bearbait, and we are 190, I think 6 miles, which leaves us less than 2,000 miles to go to Katahdin. We're at Derricks Knob, and we made it here, and then everybody started showing up. And there are tents everywhere. Everybody is communing, stuffing down as many carbs and some protein as they can get in at one time. And you can also see right over here all the bear bags that are hanging up. And we've been told that there have been 2 bears in the last 3 days by the ridge runner that comes through that they've visited but not been a nuisance, so that's good. Hopefully we won't have any encounters. But this is Molly and Stitch, or Molly and Bearbait, or Stitch and Bearbait from the trail.